the enrollment, and we're going to try to enroll a student in a section. So let's head over to our main here, and these are all the sections. Let's now play around with the enrollments. So let's bring in the enrollment DAO, enrollments DAO. So we're going to require, we go into the DAOs, and we're going to bring in the enrollments DAO. There we go. And right now, the only thing that we can do in the DAO is to enroll student in section. Okay, and this takes 2 arguments. So let's enroll. Let's see. Let's enroll. Let's see what users we have. Okay, we have Alice. So let's enroll Alice. So let's grab Alice's ID. Okay, and sections. Let's see. Let's find some sections here. So let's enroll Alice in this section cs102. Okay, so let's grab that ID. Okay, and we'll run it. So when this comes back, well, let's do that first, right? If we do, once we enroll it, presumably this is going to do an insert and is going to come back with the object that was inserted. So this is the enrollment object, all right? And we can spit it out. Console log enrollment. Enrollment. There we go. Oops. Enrollment. Okay. All right, so let's try it out. Let's go to our command line and let's run main. Okay, notice that it came back. There it is. See that? It's a brand new enrollment. Notice that we had not provided a letter grade, so by default it gave it the A, which is awesome. It did create a unique identifier for this enrollment, but it also is keeping track of the student and the section. Right? If we go to Mongo, and we'll see that we have a brand new collection that was not there. Enrollments was not there, and we can do a db.enrollments.find.pretty. And indeed, we have the data stored in the MongoDB client. Notice the primary keys are the correct data type. They are of type object ID, right? And use the strings that we pass as arguments to create those foreign keys. Now we can treat this as foreign keys and see, what is it that we can do with them, right? Ideally, what I'd like to be able to do is join. Say I want to query and want to say, given this student, give me all the enrollments for that student. Or vice versa, given this section, give me all the students that are enrolled in that section. Now, in a relational database, you would have to do join, right? We need to join the student table with the enrollment table, or the enrollment table with the section table, or all of them, right? And that's in relational databases. In non-relational databases is slightly different. And let's see what the differences are.